Good evening. Today I bring you a writing tip. I hope you writers out there find this very useful. This is about the research which goes into a book. Like, yes, it's a work of fiction. I write fiction, so I'm going to talk about how research plays a major part in writing a fiction. Like recently I have written these two historical romances. One is called The Passionate Princess, the other one is The Rebel Princess. Now one is set in the 15th century, the other one in the 11th century. The advantage we have, today's writers, what we have, is something which Shakespeare never had. We have the internet, we have Google search. Any kind of information you're looking for is very much out there. You just need to understand where to look, how to look, what to take and what not to take, and what is relevant to your story and what is not relevant to your story. It's as simple as that. You can get all the information out there on the net. Yes, but very, very importantly, like from my personal experience, what I'm seeing is I do about 200 to 300 pages of research. I probably land up with 4 or 5 sentences worth of material which I can use in a fiction. Because at the end of the day, it is very, very important that your story should not read like a research paper. This is very important, folks. Like when you read a work of fiction, where you can make out that there's a lot of information which is in the background. You can understand. Like you're just looking at a scene where people are eating food. You mention food which you have never heard of, like for a history novel. You're reading about food which you've probably never heard of, or it probably has been recently revived, but it's not part of the modern cuisine. Then you know the historical research is authentic. But if you go and write pages and pages and pages of how they cooked the meal and how they presented it and what all ingredients went to it, like you can touch upon those points. You can't go into too many details. You lose your reader then. You get it? So it is very important that you do your research, you gather the right material, you keep it as the background, and let your imagination flow. It is like, watching your hero and heroine or the other characters walking, talking, eating, riding a horse, or walking into a palace, or having, like how do they have a bath and how do they go swimming, what kind of transport they use. It's chariot, they won't be having a car, right? They can't go pick up a smartphone and do something. How do they communicate? Like, you want to send a message across, they use pigeons. Otherwise you send a messenger who probably takes a horse and rides for 2 or 3 days before the message gets there. For you to receive the reply, it's going to take probably a week, depending on the distance it is. Even the distance mark, you can't call it in kilometers and miles, because that is all modern lingo. So all these things are very, very important when you do research. Make use of it, and again, as I mentioned elsewhere, read a lot in the genre which you want to write. That helps a lot, so that you know like what the do's and don'ts of what works in a fiction. That helps a lot, and I hope this is of use to you when you do research. How in a way we are very lucky with a lot of information out there. Again, we have to be very careful what you're going to put into your fiction. You can't, it shouldn't sound as though you're doing a PhD on history, right? Like when I wrote my Chola Kingdom, the historical novel based on the Chola Kingdom, I had to give a jalak here and a jalak there. Just those little bits, which make people understand what was actually happening there. Between you and me, neither of us have gone and seen those ages, but mostly from the imagination. But luckily for us, we have a lot of information out there which we can make use of. And try to build as authentic a background as possible, without it sounding as though like they are studying history in school or college, if you understand what I mean. So that's how you do research for a fiction, and that is how important the research is. And it's also how important that you go easy on the information which you can put into a work of fiction. I hope this was of use to you, writers out there. I would love to know your feedback. It will be nice if you subscribe to my channel and leave a comment on this. Thank you.